Okay, Sounds of Decay 3 is the new album from Nightbearer, Defiance. Now, Stace has turned me on to so many cool books and movies since we got together, and one of my favorites was the TV series His Dark Materials that premiered on HBO several years ago. It's based on the books of English writer Philip Pullman. These stories have it all: wild jumps between worlds, spirit animals, and even armored battle bears. Well, apparently, Stace isn't the only fan of these books, as we've recently encountered a quality death metal moniker also enamored with the work of Pullman. Nightbearer are the sort of thinking man's melodic death metal, five-piece from central Germany. Defiance is their third full-length since forming back in 2017, and the songs all explore the battle that is raging between the forces of archaic superstition and science. The album also marks their third, produced by guitarist Dominic Helmuth.
The riffing of Nightbearer may be rooted in old-school death metal, but the band is certainly not afraid to drizzle it with chiming guitar fills and even a piano segment or two for good measure. Vocalist Michael Torka delivers both guttural growls and witchy screams with charisma. It's some of the most majestic death metal I've heard in some time. The twin guitars give these songs almost a pompy vibe. Hellsmith, along with guitarist Tristan Schubert, shows a flair for dialing up all sorts of mood-changing guitar fills and harmonies. The oscillations around the midpoint of Dying Knows No Bounds are an example of their breath of fresh air layering approach to melodies.
All over the record, drummer Manuel Luke demonstrates he can storm as well as groove. For example, Dying Knows No Bounds nails us with vicious blast beats right out of the gate, frosted with gorgeous twin harmonies from Schubert and Helmuth, who continue to tinker with climates of cold and dread as the song alternates a thrashy mid-pace with brutal blasts of aggression.
Let's play a clip. This is Dying Knows No Bounds. The 9+ minute epic Ascension seems the crown jewel of the record. Mellow synths are met with a brooding riff that seems to sort of trudge through icicle droplet clean guitar into an all-out storm of blast beats, frenzied screams, and sinister gurgles from Torka. The push-pull between Floydish clean guitar segs and eruptions of riffs and percussive thunder are powerful enough to throw your alethiometer out of whack, and the guitar solo is stunning and bold.
Well, there you have it. Eloquent, powerful death metal, bolstered by stunning musicianship and one hell of a concept. The album literally dropped yesterday, so get over to Testimony Records' Bandcamp page and grab this one, along with some other Snaggletooth-approved titles from Leper Colony and Anthropomorphia. Plus, be sure to check out his Dark Material series if snow leopard demons and exotic balloon rides are your sort of thing. This song is called His Dark Materials.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.